Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How have you all been doing? Happy New Year, happy 2022. So I've been away for some time and I don't know, I've not just been creating content. So it's a new month and I went to do my hygiene haul. So I thought I should show you guys what I got and just show you guys me going to the supermarket. So you see me going to the supermarket, getting some stuff, making my choices. Then now I want to show you the things I got for my hygiene haul in January. So stay tuned guys and hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with anyone that you feel would love this video. So thank you guys for I'm always using Colgate, but sometimes I change it. Like sometimes I use this Max White, sometimes I use a different one. But this is the one I got for this one, this Colgate. Then for my pad, I always use Always. I prefer this platinum one. I like it, but this is the one I always go for. And so I always buy a pant liner every month. Sorry, my voice is a bit down. So I always buy a pant liner every month. I have this other one I use, something intimate is blue. That's a blue. But when I went to the supermarket, I didn't see this one. So I've also used this small pig before. So I also like this one too. So this is the one I bought for this month. Let me show you guys. So this is the one I bought for this month. Um, so for my intimate area, I use Femme Fresh. Some people don't like it, but for me it doesn't do any harm. I've always been using it because I cannot use only water, so I've always been using it. I've not had any issues using it. So I like this one, this pink one. I really like this one. I just finished using the one that's a little bit, is it orange? I just buy. I really love this pink one, so that's the one I got. And then what next? Okay, so I know you see the brown sugar, coconut oil, and honey, and you'll be wondering what is it doing here. So for me personally, I make my own body scrub. I don't buy. Not that I cannot buy. I buy once in a while. I still buy, but I prefer making mine. So I have my brown sugar. This is the one I use. You can just go to any store and get a brown sugar. So this is the brown sugar I use. Then you can get honey, any honey at all. This is the one I use. Or this is even the one I got. Then you can get coconut oil, whatever oil you want to use, almond oil, avocado oil. But I got coconut oil, and this is the tropical sun on. So I'll be making my body scrub. If you want to see how I do my body scrub, let me know guys in the comment section below. I'm going to film a video showing you how I make my body scrub. So for my body scrub, I do it 2 times a week because this brown sugar is a bit strong, so it's a bit coarse. So I do my body scrub twice a week, and it makes my body feel very, very, very smooth. Just let me know guys if you want to see how I do it. I'm definitely going to film it for you guys. So next up, I got this body lotion from St. Ives. This one. I've been really into St. Ives body lotion. I love them. So this is the St. Ives soothing body lotion. This is with oatmeal and shea butter, and I love the scent. I love the scent. Like it sinks into my skin. I don't sweat because I sweat a lot. But with this one I don't sweat with St. Ives. So I decided to get this one. I think the last one I used was pink. Is it rose and something? I've forgotten the name of that one. So I decided to get this one, this oatmeal and shea butter to give it a try. And I also got the matching body wash. Let me show you guys. So this is the matching body wash. I've used this, but I bought it, but I have used it. I love the scent. I love the fragrance. The fragrance is, I feel like the fragrance on the body wash is more than the cream. So I love this body wash. Like when I opened it and I used it, I just love the scent is something. I love it. You know this kind of scent that when you finish having your bath and you go out and you come back, you still perceive it. That's how this one is. I really like this one. So I decided to get the two in the same scent. Another thing I got is a body spray. This is Victoria's Secret Daisy Heat. I don't know, I'm not sure this is the original Victoria's Secret, but I love the smell. Look at it. I like the smell, guys. Then this is Daisy Haze, Bamboo and Vanilla. I think the vanilla is a bit small. It's more of the I can perceive the vanilla. It's nice. I like it, so I decided to get this one. Then for my deodorant, I got this Rexona. This is the one in Tropical. So most of the time, because I work from home, most of the time I don't use a deodorant. I use lemon most of the time, and I've noticed a very, very big change in my underarm, the color of my underarm. If you want to see how I've been able to lighten my underarm, guys, it's really working. You want to see how I've been doing that, let me know also in the comment section. I'm going to film a video showing you how you can help lighten your underarm. So because this Nigeria is very hot, if I'm going out and I know I sweat a lot, I have to use something strong like this. But if I'm not going out, I'm just at home, I use my lemon. Or you can use natural deodorant. But if you want to see how I've been able to lighten my underarm, just let me know because I've seen a change. It's not there yet, but changes there because it was very, very dark, but now it's better. And last but not the least is this Vaseline Intense Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. I bought it last month, so I've been using it. I've really used it. You can see that it's almost done. I didn't repurchase because I still have this one. So I think I'll purchase by next month. So you see this oil, guys, you need to get your hands on this oil. It's a bit thick, You don't have to use much, like use small amounts, like small amount, and it works, guys. This oil works. I'm not even going to lie, it works. Like, keeps your skin looking hydrated, honestly. Since I got my hands on it, I love it. So most of the time if I'm going out, especially this dry season, I always rub it like on my feet and my hand, just to keep me from looking ashy. So guys, get your hands on this. I've seen another one by, is it Johnson? So I was thinking of trying Johnson. This is the Vaseline one, so I'm thinking of trying Johnson, the Johnson body oil. So I think if I see it next month, by next month maybe I'll just purchase that one, since I've already tried this and I've seen how it is. So I really love it. It looks like a gel. It's really nice, guys. Get your hands on this one. So guys, that's all I got. So by next month we'll be trying out other things, because by next month I'll be changing my body wash. I'll be trying out other body washes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you're into skincare, kind of body care kind of videos, stick around, guys, because I'll be showing you more and more of it every month, because I'm going through like the season where I'm like skincare A game. I really don't have a bad skin. In fact, I don't want to use the word really. I don't have a bad skin. I have a very good skin. My face, you can see my face. I don't have acne and all that. So my routines are quite simple and all that. But I want to really invest this year. I want to really invest in my body care. Like, I want my body to always be on point. So guys, that's it. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I have a lot of nice and wonderful content coming your way. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and I will really appreciate it, guys. So lovely. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.